This is the Belden 1524AM RG11 outdoor coax cable with messenger, CCS. The RG11 PVC coaxial cable with messenger is typically used for cable or satellite service that is used in aerial applications. Messengers help support cable during the aerial installation by reducing sag and absorbing tension. This is essential for pole-to-pole suspension between supports or building-to-building applications. Due to its thickness and rigidity of RG11, it is most commonly used for longer runs or backboning previs wiring, as opposed to RG6, which is typically run between components. This RG11 PVC cable features a protective PVC jacket, 60% aluminum braid, 100% aluminum foil shield for maximum EMI rejection, foam dielectric, and solid 14 AWG copper clad steel center conductor. It offers great performance at an attractive price, available per foot or per spool. The Belden 1524AM RG11 outdoor coax cable with messenger, CCS, is the best solution for your next AV project. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.